If you're a fan of Target's Dollar Spot as much as I am, then this game is perfect for you because I am sure you have a few cake stands on hand. Target is super well known for their fun cake stands that they're always coming out with. You combine those with some bouncy balls and you have some instant family play that makes it great for game night with your family or at a party. So there's a couple ways to play. You can start with a smaller one if you want it more difficult, or if you want to start out, you can use a big one to start. You're going to turn it upside down, and then you're going to put a bouncy ball in around if it has a lip. This is a great one. And you're just going to want to get it spinning, try and get it to go, and then you're going to try and pick it up and get it to land inside. You can count it if you want, where if it bounces in and goes out, that counts, or to make it difficult, you can say that it has to stay in it. So again, that one didn't work. Let's try it again. Get it spinning, lift it up. No, there goes one. I love having several bouncy balls on hand for this one. It makes it so much easier. Lift it up. Oh, there we go. There's a win. So in that case, I would get a point. You can say who's the fastest one to get 5 in, turn it minute to win it style, and say whoever can do the most in 60 seconds wins, or just try and come up with lots of fun games. So maybe you want to say it's got to bounce twice and go in the center. And again, if you want to make it more difficult, start with a smaller one as well, because obviously you don't have nearly as much room. You have to be really creative to try and get it out and get it in the center. Ta-da! And finally, what if your cake stands don't have a lip? Well, then in that case, it's going to make it even more difficult to try and get it from underneath, circle it around, and get it to just bounce on the top on that one, because it's not going to have a place to sit in if it's these little cake pans. So what I'd love to do with that, as you saw that time, I was able to get it to bounce 3 times. And you can always see, to try and get it from the top to the bottom, how many times you can get it to bounce without losing it. As you can see, there's so many ways to take your decorative cake stands from Target and some bouncy balls and have lots of family fun. If you want more ideas for super easy boredom busters with ideas you have around the house, I will put a link to those in the description below. Also be sure to check out FamilyFed.com, where we have tons and tons of easy family games that require no prep, again with basic items you have around the house. Be sure to give us a thumbs up or heart, follow along on our account so you never miss out on any of the fun ideas that we come up with that we would love to share with you. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!